Good morning, everybody in beautiful Adelaide. My name is Kamran Emami and I am from Iran. I could not join you in this meeting due to personal reasons. Still, I do my best to contribute to the mandate of Working Group on Value Engineering. The mandate is as follows: to motivate ICID national committees in various countries to set up their national working groups, to provide guidance, to compile, publish, update, and/or translate documents on value engineering projects. The main projects are in irrigation, drainage, flood management, and river engineering. To promote interdisciplinary exchange of information, knowledge, and experience, as well as networking on this topic. To organize seminars at ICID congresses and meetings to enhance awareness of the importance of value engineering. To prepare a paper on application of water engineering in irrigation and flood projects for publication in Irrigation and Drainage Journal, IRD. To finalize a book on application of value engineering in irrigation and flood projects. To encourage member countries to produce papers on value engineering case studies. To promote the planning and execution of virtual training of working group for selected engineers from different countries on value engineering application for saving in irrigation, drainage, and flood projects. ICID Vision 2030 is shown here. A water secure world free of poverty and hunger. And it's a very challenging task. And value engineering can help us greatly. We have already finalized a paper for the journal. We have published a paper in IRD journal, and we have finalized our publication or application of value engineering. This is the book that was published by ICID. The chapters are the great water-related challenges of the 21st century. Then we go to a brief history of evolution of value engineering and introduction to value engineering. And then the experience showed that efficient and effective application of value engineering is not easy, and it takes a long time, and we need some value engineering programs. Here we have a chapter on value engineering programs, and we have case studies from different countries, USA, Iran, Japan, and other countries on application of value engineering in water projects. And finally, we have summary and conclusion. An effective and efficient tool for the challenges of the 21st century. So we have the book, but still we should promote the value engineering. This is the book. You can download it from the ICID website, and everybody can use the book and download it. So but we should still do better job in promoting value engineering. But we have the tools, we have the paper, we have the book. These are the Sustainable Development Goals prepared by UN, and 7 of these goals are related to water. Again, mega problems of 21st century. You see, the book was prepared before COVID-19, but pandemic was one of the mega problems presented in the book. And we should remember that value engineering is a proven technique. In the highway projects of the United States, they have used value engineering in 545 projects. The total cost of these projects is $550 billion, and the saving of value engineering is $35 billion. It is 6.3% of the total cost, and for each dollar spent on value engineering, the rate of the return is $153. $1 spent, $153 achieved. It's a large database in a very developed country, United States, and it really indicates that value engineering is a proven technique. But in the United States, the value engineering was first introduced in 1947, but the table starts from 1997. 50 years, exactly 50 years. So it takes a long time to use value engineering effectively and efficiently. And this technique can use other creative problem-solving techniques, such as 6 thinking hats, introduced by Debono. This is value engineering programs. The pillars of these programs are having the support of senior managers. They should have trust and believe in value engineering effectiveness. Then we should train VE, we should institutionalize VE, we should conduct value engineering studies, and we should promote VE. And all these 5 pillars are interact with others. So this VE program is a proven technique to promote value engineering. This is value engineering. In 2018, we conducted value engineering for young professionals of ICID in Mexico City, and as you see, they were enthusiastic about value engineering. Next year, we had another value engineering workshop for the students from Bonn University, Germany, and it was also a success story. This is a value engineering program, Kenya value engineering program in Khuzestan Water and Power Authority, KWPA. This is one of the studies conducted which I think resulted in 30% saving, 30% saving. And Dr. Kuno, which I hope is present in the meeting, provided 6 case studies, 5 case studies on application of value engineering and irrigation project in Japan. As you see, total cost is more than $300 million, and the saving is $72 million. 24% saving, 40% saving. From Japan, we should go to the NASA in the United States, and they have a project management success model, and the core of this model is rigorous review, and value engineering is a rigorous review. And value engineering matches the top 10 job skills presented by World Economic Forum: complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, and emotional intelligence. value engineering is a complex problem-solving technique. Its approach to the project is critical, so it promotes critical thinking and it also creativity. A team should be managed in value engineering, and the team members should coordinate with others, and emotional intelligence is very important. So value engineering is closely matched with the job skills of the 2020. We also prepared the paper for our ID journal, Value Engineering, Opportunities and Challenges. So we have the paper, some of the material presented are also presented in the paper, top 10 skills. And we have the paper and we have the books. Conclusion. The most important conclusion is what have we learned from the development of COVID-19 vaccines. Normally it takes more than 10 years to develop a vaccine. But in COVID-19, many different vaccines were developed in some 10 or 11 months. Why? Because the world has took the vaccine very seriously. So we should know value engineering is a very vital task for ensuring sustainability, and we should take it very seriously if we want to succeed. Let's go back to the mandate. I think we should plan for virtual training workshops, maybe 2 to 3 hours for different, especially young professionals of ICID. And we should promote VE. We have the publication and the journal paper, as I mentioned. And we should enrich value working group website. We should have films, paper, manuals, and presentation. I try to be in contact with the members of the working group, and my presentation is also should be available to everybody interested. Thank you very much, and have a very good meeting.